In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add a name field in Formidable Forms in WordPress. First, you need to install and activate Formidable Forms plugin. I've already installed it. Now, if you want to learn how to install plugins in WordPress, we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link it in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. Now, to configure this plugin, all you need to do is hover onto Formidable and click on Forms. You can either create a new form or edit an existing one. I'm going to edit an existing one. From various fields given on the left, simply click on Name field to add it in the form. You can drag and drop the field like this to adjust its position. Click on it to configure its settings. Here you can edit the field label. Make this field required by checking this box. You can even set the name layout. Under Advanced Settings, you can add default value or placeholder text here like this. Once everything is in place, let's update the form. It's now time to preview the form. You can see the name field in action here. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.